What we're doing back here in Chickasha, Oklahoma is we're getting ready to put up our storage study for the Birdie project. We have folks behind us that are tagging each one of the bales so that we can keep track of them throughout the storage periods. We also pull 1-foot cores, 2-inch diameter from each one of the bales. We'll pull a core from each side, composite those samples, dry those down to get an estimate of moisture content. We will grind those samples, send those samples off to our partner, Idaho National Labs, who will do our quality analysis. We also have the weigh trailer that you see going in and out behind me. They're taking the weights of the bales before we go in. Another thing that we're doing is we're measuring each one of the bales. We will compare those lengths and heights and widths to the bales whenever we pull them out of the storage. You also see the wrapper behind me. We're going to form from 3 high stacks that we're going to put in full wrap. We will also be looking at untarped or uncovered material that's going to be stored on well-drained soil. We also have another stack treatment, which will be bales stacked on gravel, a gravel pad that's well drained, and we will cover those with a tarped material. For this storage study, we're looking at different storage times: 2 months, 4 months, 6 months, 12 months, and 18 months. So at each one of those time periods, we will come back, we'll retrieve columns of bales, and we'll process those bales to see how the quality and the moisture changes over time. We're also going to be looking at the economics, looking at the cost of putting up each one of these different treatments, and then also comparing that back to the quality to see whether or not there's a premium or a discount for the quality of the material stored at a given length of time under given conditions.